In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size of a Data Studio report page. This is a simple but really useful adjustment that can make your dashboards easier to read, give you more space for charts and text, and help your report fit better on different screen sizes. Start by opening your report in Data Studio. Once you're inside, head up to the top toolbar where the main menu options are located. Look for the Page menu and click on it to reveal page level settings. From the drop-down, select Current Page Settings. This is important because it ensures you're only adjusting the page you're working on, not affecting the rest of the report. It's a small detail, but it helps you stay in control when working with multi-page dashboards. After you click that, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. The Properties panel should automatically open. If you don't see it right away, it may be collapsed, so just expand it to reveal the settings. Inside the Properties panel, switch over to the Style tab. This tab controls the visual layout and appearance of your page, including spacing, structure, and most importantly, canvas size. Scroll until you find the Canvas Size section. This is where you define the actual dimensions of your report page. You'll see two key inputs here: width and height. These are measured in pixels, which is the standard for screen-based design. Now you can manually set the size based on your needs. For example, a common desktop layout is 1920 by 1080 pixels, which works well for full-screen dashboards and presentations. On the other hand, if you're building dashboards for large monitors, presentations, or display screens, you can increase the width even more to take advantage of the extra space. As you adjust these values, Data Studio will instantly update the canvas size. This gives you real-time feedback, so you can immediately see how your layout adapts to the new dimensions. It's also worth thinking about your audience while doing this. The best canvas size depends on where and how people will view your report. A wider layout might look great on a desktop, but could feel overwhelming or require scrolling on smaller screens. Consistency is another important factor. If your report has multiple pages, try to keep the same or similar dimensions across all of them. This creates a smoother and more professional viewing experience. Once you've updated the size, take a moment to review your layout. When the canvas expands or shrinks, your charts, text boxes, and visuals may shift slightly or reveal extra space you can use more effectively. This is a good opportunity to improve spacing, adjust alignment, and make your dashboard feel less crowded. Sometimes just a little extra room can make a big difference in readability. You might also notice areas where elements feel too tight or too spread out. Use this moment to fine-tune the design so everything looks balanced and easy to scan. And that's really all there is to it. By opening Page Settings, going into the Style tab, and adjusting the canvas width and height, you can quickly increase the size of your Data Studio report page and create a more flexible, professional-looking dashboard layout.